Hi everybody, this is Betsy from Cool Tools, and I wanted to show you a scheduling extension from Google Chrome that allows you to set up meetings with people using your email. So to get Assist.to, you want to go to your Chrome web store. A note that this is for Gmail and your Google Calendar, and you have to be in Chrome to use it because it is a Chrome extension. So here we are in the Chrome Web Store, and I'm just going to go ahead and search Assistant.to. And it's an extension, and this is the one that I'm referring to. I'm going to go ahead and add this to Chrome, add extension. And it just takes a moment. It's going to link to my calendar. So I'm going to go ahead and click login. And once I've logged in, it will automatically be added to my Chrome internet browser. So I can see in the upper right-hand corner my extension, Assistant.to Scheduling Assistant. So what this does is it allows me to invite someone to a meeting and offer them multiple meeting times to pick. The extension reviews your current schedule and from your Google Calendar, and if there's a conflict, it won't allow the person to choose that time. So it's constantly updated. This is great if you are meeting with multiple different people and want to offer them a variety of times, but offer them the same grouping of times. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to create an invitation. I'm going to pop out my message so you can see better. And you'll notice the application has added a new icon in the bottom right corner of my email. That's the application I'm going to click on when I'm ready to set the times. So I'm going to send this to my personal email address, and I'm going to just put in let's meet. And I'm going to say, hello, let's meet as we discussed. And so now I want to set up the times. So I'm going to click on my icon for Assistant.to, and I'm going to enter some information. So it picks up recent meeting locations. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep this as Betsy will call, but you want to make sure that you enter a location or information on that. And you can choose the calendar if you have more than one calendar that you want this to add to look at. So if you use this for multiple different accounts, you want to make sure you have it on the right calendar. And the meeting length, I might want to make it an hour, 3 hours, 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and make this an hour. And if I wanted to include Saturdays or Sundays, I could do that as well. You'll notice that it has picked up some meetings that I've done from a prior request. So I'm just going to go ahead and reset that availability so that I don't have to pick what I've already put in. And so it's automatically defaults to being on today, and then it shows me the next few days. So I'm going to go ahead and set this for time tomorrow afternoon. I'm going to drag that down, and then again on Monday, but I want it to be morning. Let's see, let's do 9 to 12. And so those are the two slots that I want to be able to offer meeting times in. And now all I need to do is insert times into email. And so what will happen is you see that it automatically generates wording for me. I'd like to set up a 1-hour meeting. Click on the meeting start time that works for you. They give the meeting, the information, the location, the time zone. If I need to change the time zone, if I'm sending it to someone in a different time zone, it will update if they click on this. And it gives all of the times that are available. If none of these times work for the person that you're sending it to, they can also request a different time. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit send, and then we will go ahead and look at it in my personal email box. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my personal email box, and I'm just going to hit the refresh button because sometimes it does take a little time for it to come in. And here I see the Let's Meet. So I'm going to be the recipient now, and I'm going to say that I want to meet on Monday at 10 a.m. And so it's checking the organizer, and guess what? That time is still available. I've successfully scheduled the meeting, and so the person is all set. The email, another email goes to the person who created and used Assistant.to, and it says, this meeting has been successfully created. And then you'll see that there's some little dotted lines underneath the day and time. This is how I can confirm that it has been added. But I can see right here, Betsy Tomei has selected a meeting time and it's been added to your calendar. So let's go ahead and take a look at the calendar and see that it has been added to the calendar. So we are all set. It's been added and we're good to go. Assistant.to is a great resource for you if you are sending multiple emails to groups of people that you want to offer the same time or multiple times. I do recommend it. It's really straightforward and easy to use. Thanks.